The flu virus hitting nationwide causes more deaths and hospitalizations and a higher number of cases. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports the flu is now widespread in 46 states. That's nearly 4 times as many as compared with the same time last year. 21-year-old Kyler Bachman died last week, just days after coming down with the flu. The physical fitness enthusiast reportedly did not have a flu shot. Dr. Tara Narula is here with why this season is so dangerous. Tara, good morning.
Good morning, John. Flu seasons are notoriously difficult to predict, and this one got off to an earlier start than usual. At the center of the threat is a more aggressive strain of the virus, making the disease even harder to control. One in roughly 10,000 children under the age of 4 have been hospitalized with the flu this season. 8-month-old Kingston Smith is one of them, with his mother Sharika right by his bedside.
About 4 days ago, he started breathing hard, vomiting, having fever, so I drove here to the hospital and, he said, yes, we need to keep him.
The diagnosis can get gravely serious. Of the more than 100 people who have died from the flu so far this season, 13 are children. Dr. Claire Bocchini is an infectious disease specialist at Texas Children's Hospital.
Unfortunately, it can cause a lot of complications. Children can get severely sick, actually need to be in the ICU.
Making the problem worse this season is the type of flu that's spreading, H3N2. This strain tends to hit younger and older people harder than others.
This is a bad bug.
Dr. Daniel Jernigan is the director of the Influenza Division at the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
In years where there is H3N2, we do see that there are more deaths.
Why is there so much activity in the past few weeks?
Well, it's hard to say, but it's possible that a lot of folks got together during the winter holidays. And so with all those folks getting together, they're able to transmit flu and then take it and send it on to other folks. And so there's been a lot of that, a lot of cold air, a lot of cold this season. And so because of those things, we can see a lot of influenza that gets transmitted.
Flu vaccines have been less effective in fighting H3N2 than other influenza flu viruses, making this particular strain more difficult to contain. It is still too soon to say just how bad this flu season will be, but the CDC believes it could reach near epidemic levels.
And you can still get a flu shot.
You can and you should.
Thank you,
yes.
Tara.